You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome, everyone. Today we're zeroing in on some really crucial shifts happening right now in tech, AI, and business strategy for, well, looking ahead into 2025.
That's right. We've got some fascinating news and analysis to unpack.
Exactly. We've sifted through the latest updates, trying to pull out what really matters for you in this, constantly moving landscape.
So where should we start?
Okay, let's kick things off with Figma. They've filed their S1, heading for the NYSE as FIG. What does this IPO signal, really? I mean, beyond the financials?
Well, it's huge, isn't it? It's kind of the first major design tool IPO like this.
Right.
And I think it really validates collaborative software as like a core enterprise necessity now. It says these shared digital spaces are fundamental.
Like the internet itself, almost.
Yeah, exactly. And speaking of integration, look at Grammarly.
Oh, yeah. What's happening there?
They just picked up Superhuman, that AI email client.
Interesting.
And they're pushing AI agents into email. It's not just a bolt-on anymore. It's becoming this invisible layer in our workflow.
So AI stops being a separate thing you open.
Precisely. It's just there, baked in. It totally redefines what a productivity suite even means, especially with that $1 billion they just got from General Catalyst.
Right. That funding certainly helps. And that idea of an invisible layer makes me think about this concept I've been hearing, the great differentiation.
Ah, yes.
The argument is if AI can copy any digital thing, a website, a campaign instantly, how do companies even stand out anymore?
That's the $1 million question, isn't it?
Do you have to go physical?
Okay.
Or like super expensive or just weird? I saw Robin Hood film something at a French chateau.
Yeah, or Stripe building an actual Irish pub for their podcast. It sounds kind of crazy, but it makes sense.
How so?
It's basically the death knell for that old SaaS playbook we've seen for a decade. Because building with AI, it's inconsistent. The design rules aren't there yet. Users don't fully grasp it. It's a wide open field.
A blank slate.
Yeah.
So the old rules just don't apply.
Not really. It demands a totally different kind of thinking. More unique experiences. Things you can't just, copy with an AI prompt.
Okay, so if the slate is blank, who's actually doing this well, like in maybe unexpected ways? I was looking at Granola AI.
Ah, the AI meeting notebook.
Exactly. You hear that and think, oh, another one. But they're seeing like 10% weekly growth. What's their secret?
It's clever, actually. They realize people, they like taking notes. It helps focus. But you always miss stuff.
Right, you can't type everything.
So Granola doesn't replace note-taking. It enhances it. It runs invisibly, no awkward bot joining the call.
That's key. No embarrassing bot.
Yeah, and it makes sense of your scattered notes afterwards. It's augmenting, not replacing.
Right.
Which is a really smart distinction.
That is smart. It reminds me a bit, actually, of Liquid Death. Different field, obviously, but...
Oh, the water company with the cans.
Yeah. Mike Cesario, the founder, apparently saw musicians drinking water out of old Monster Energy cans to look cool.
Seriously, okay.
So he thought, why not just make water look rebellious? Called it Liquid Death, put skulls on it, names like Mango Chainsaw.
Mango Chainsaw Water, right.
And it worked.
Yeah.
It's like a $1.4 billion brand now, just by changing the packaging and giving water this persona.
It shows that branding, that story, can make almost anything stand out, even water. The persona becomes the differentiator.
Exactly. It's not just the product.
And speaking of adapting, we're seeing shifts in leadership roles too, right?
Okay.
The rise of the Chief AI Officer, the CAIO.
Yeah, that's popping up more in 2025 projections. What's the thinking there? Is it just a new title?
I don't think so. It seems more strategic. It's someone to bridge the gap, between the tech side and the actual business goals.
Right.
Overseeing governance, managing risks, but also driving innovation with AI across the whole company. It's a cross-functional necessity now, not just an IT thing.
Connecting the dots, basically.
Yeah. And speaking of connecting dots, the money side, the investors, their mindset seems to be shifting too.
How so? What are VCs looking for now?
Well, the landscape's tougher. IPOs are rarer outside of maybe AI itself.
Right.
So VCs are hunting for those massive returns, like 100x potential, not just a nice profitable business. They need the moonshots.
So if you take venture capital...
You're kind of signing up for that moonshot model. Their expectation becomes your business plan, almost by default, especially with a focus on AI startups and secondary sales.
That's a really crucial point for founders to understand. Okay, so pulling this all together, what does it mean for you listening?
It seems we're in this radical shift, don't you think? where tangible, unique, even weird experiences are becoming key.
Yeah, combined with really understanding human behavior, like with granola, and knowing what investors are actually after.
In a world where AI can replicate the digital stuff so easily.
Exactly. So as you navigate all this, maybe the question to ask yourself is, what's the uncopyable, authentically you approach you can bring? What's your version of the French chateau or the mango chainsaw water in your world?
That's the challenge, isn't it? Finding that unique edge when everything else feels replicable.
Definitely something to think about.
Spoken Tech for your ears.